Okay, we are going to learn how to factor quadratic expression by using the grouping method. When we're talking about grouping, we are talking about GCF, okay? Between the two terms, the largest terms that they have in common. Let's say I'm going to have 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. Okay, it is similar to the box method, but for those of you who like to use grouping, it will work as well. Okay, if you want to check the box method, I have it on the other video as well. So first thing you need to do is identify the A, the B, and then the C terms. Okay, and then the second steps, again, is still the ACB or CAP method. Okay, you are going to have A times C is 2 times 6. That will give me a 12. And then the B terms, that will give me a 7. What ACB or CAP means is that you are finding the two numbers that multiply up to 12, but that will add up to 7. So I'm going to have 1 and 12. That will add up to 13. Okay. And then I have 2 and 6. That will give me 8. 3 and 4. That also give me a 7. Okay. So I should choose the 3x and then the 4x. Okay, so what I have here, I'm going to rewrite this is step 2. Step 3, I'm going to rewrite 2x squared. I'm going to skip, okay, a space. I'm going to add 6. So here you have the 3x and the 4x. That will replace the 7, okay? What grouping means is your whole goal is to split up the 7, okay? That's what you were doing, okay? So I'm gonna have the 4x and then the 3x. I have not changed anything. The whole goal is to group the first two and the last two together. So what I have here is these two groups, okay? The first step you need to do here is find the GCF between 2x squared and 4x. 2x squared and 4x is giving me the 2x. They have 2x in common. What's left in 2x squared is 2x. What's left in the 4x is give me a 2. Okay, on the 3x and the 6x, that's gonna give me 3x. Sorry, it's not 3x, it is 3. Then I'm gonna have x here. There's a typo right here. Let me fix it right here. Hold on. That's going to give me x. Okay. So that's x plus 2. Okay. This is my first GCF. GCF1. Okay. The second GCF I'm looking at is this. Okay. The whole thing. So what I'm going to do is bring that out. That's going to give me x plus 2 in parentheses. What's left here is 2x. What's left there is plus 3. Okay, so what I have here is x plus 2 and 2x plus 3. Okay, let's say I have 6x squared here minus 13x minus 5. Again, A is 6, B is negative 13, C is negative 5. Okay, my CAP or ACB method, A times C, 6 times negative 5, give me a negative 30. And then B is negative 13. Okay, again, two numbers multiply together to give me a negative 30, but it will add up to negative 13. So this won't work. Negative 1 times 30. That will give me 29. That won't work either. 2 times negative 15. That will give me negative 13. This is okay. Let me try the rest of them. This may give me 13. Let's look at 3 times negative 15, negative 10. That will give me negative 7. So that won't work. Negative 3 times 10. That give me 7. So that won't work either. Okay. So this will be my choice. So it's going to give me 2x and negative 15x. So what I have is 6x squared minus 13x minus 5. Hold on. That should give me 6x squared minus, plus 2x minus 15x minus 5. Again, grouping. Okay, so that's 6x squared and 2x give me 2x. What's left is 3x plus 1. Okay, negative 15x and negative 5. So that's give me negative 5. What's left is 3x. Be very careful. This is negative 5. So what you want to do is this going to give me a plus 1. Okay, so my next GCF here. So I'm going to call this GCF number 1. Okay, and then here's the next one. So GCF number 2. So that's going to give me 2x minus 5. So that's going to be GCF number 2. That's my GCF number 2.